Hello everyone, welcome to Getaroundcars online showroom. Now if you're looking for something sporty in a BMW 1 Series, you need to come along and view this vehicle. This is our 2016 66 plate BMW 118i M Sport 8-speed automatic, and it's a 3-door hatch, very rare 3-door hatch. Engine size is 1.5 petrol. Come and take a look. Firstly, we start with the LED headlights. Extra bright LED headlights. Extra driving lights in the front. That distinctive BMW grille. The vehicle comes with front parking sensors. The car is finished in a beautiful metallic silver. Tinted glass all round. We've got side repeater indicators built into the door mirrors, and the door mirrors are finished in the same body colour to give this all over effect. There's the M Sport badge on the side. If we look at the alloy wheels, this is always a telltale sign, you know, just how careful the previous owner was. I'll go around every alloy wheel just to show you just how tidy. There's no scuffs, there's no marks, and they have proper tyres on it. No budget tyres on this. All good tyres. Right, let's look inside. The door card, as you would expect, in great condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. If we look at the sill from where people get in and out, there's no chips, there's no scuffs, no marks. It has auto lights, LED lights, which we've said, multifunction steering wheel. The seats are in black Dakota leather, sport seats with extra lumbar support for your legs, extensions, as you can see there. Large centre armrest. The vehicle has only done a genuine 49,000 miles. Colour satellite navigation. Radio, CD, dynamic mode, you have sports mode, economy mode. You can set it in all these different positions for your style of driving. Heated front seats. Now a lot of these things I'm telling you are all options, not standard on the vehicle. When the vehicle was new, they would have had to have paid an awful lot of money for this car. Again, the alloy wheel, great condition. The fuel filler cap is on the driver's side. Rear parking sensors. It's the 118i, which has a 1.5 petrol engine. Rear wiper, high level brake light. If you look in the cargo area, now that looks as if it's never had any use at all. You have a 60/40 configuration for the rear seats to drop down. It has a plastic, or rubber I should say, cargo mat in the back. Now this car has got performance, but it's also got economy as well. So just listen to these figures. The CO2 rating is 122. That means your road tax is only £150 a year. But fuel wise, urban 44.1 miles to the gallon. extra urban 61.4 and combined 54.3. It's got a staggering top speed of 130 miles an hour and a 0 to 60 figure in 8.7 seconds. Now combine that with a full BMW service history, plus if you live in London or one of these towns or cities where they already have these ultra low emission zones, this is ULEZ compliant. So you can have bags of fun in this. And it's automatic. It's an 8-speed automatic. Again, this is why it gives you great fuel figures. Now all our cars carry a 3-month parts and labour warranty. If you want to extend it to 12 months, you can. If you're concerned about the coronavirus, again, please don't worry. All our cars are fully sanitised for everyone's protection. So let's just continue looking down the vehicle. We'll look at the alloy wheels, then we'll look for car park dents. Great condition. If I'm hypercritical, there's a very minor scuff which is just there. It's of no consequence, but again, quality tyres, not budget tyres. The person who owned this knew exactly what he was doing. You look at the front wheel. Now this would be the wheel that would get damage if you're going to get close to a curb. Again, there's no damage at all. Great condition. You look inside the car, on the passenger side, the door card, perfect, no marks. The sills, good condition. The seats, no sign of any wear or damage or cuts or abrasions. There's those extensions I was telling you about for long distance comfort. The vehicle comes with 2 keys. But what a great motor car. So let's look to see if there's any car park dents. Look all the way down the side. You know, when you're buying something like this, you want it to be right. If you're wondering what that little mark is, it's a little spider. Probably a money spider. You never know. We'll look all the way around the front and down the other side. There's that BMW LED. I'm sorry about the background noise. We have somebody cutting wood or doing something, sanding wood somewhere. We look down this side. No marks at all. What a fabulous car. Now I drove this about half an hour ago and it blows your socks off. So smooth, so quiet, it's rapid. And it's a 1.5 engine, so you got all the comfort of having decent fuel figures with a sensible size engine. You can see why BMWs make quality prestige vehicles when they turn out a vehicle like this. Anyway, if you're interested, pick up the phone, give me a call, make an appointment, come and have a test drive. My name is Jim from Getaround Cars, where cars cost less. You can call me on 07710 85 8066. Thank you for watching.